Hey everybody, it's JP with Rockaway again. I'm just here to talk to you guys about good old September coming up. We're almost through with August. It has been an extremely hot August. Luckily, we have had some afternoon thunderstorms, which is very thankful for our grass and shrubs. They are like, thank you. But right now, we're gonna be still full steam ahead as far as our maintenance goes. We'll still be mowing, blowing, cutting. We are gonna be dropping back a little bit and doing a little bit more pruning this time of year. So you will start to see the shrubs start taking more of a shape with now that they've finally grown out. The agronomics team is still going to be putting fertilizer out on the turf and the shrubs itself, and they're also going to be spot checking any areas of drought stress that may lead into chinch bug damage or even possibly some sod wedworms or anything in some damp areas in the lawn itself. Like I said, the irrigation, we're still in that little bit of a drought, but it's okay. We're getting the afternoon showers. Things are starting to happen for us, so luckily if we keep that going, we get a little bit more rain in the future, we're going to be in good shape going forward. So some of us are still dealing with mosquitoes right now, so do not forget, we do offer a mosquito program for those who want to go and enjoy the outside now that we're cooling down a little bit and they want to enjoy the patios, the pool decks, things like that, and they're getting eaten up. We do offer that service, so please feel free to reach out to us as far as that goes. We know we're going to be starting to get into more of our party season with Halloween and everything else coming up in the future, so if anybody would like a few enhancements done as far as touching up some mulch or getting some pretty flowers out before we really roll into fall and get a little bit backed up, please let us know so that way we can get to you guys first and get you guys accomplished. Anything else that comes up though, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. Thanks guys.